Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable require open eyes during Face ID recognition in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now here in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics and then click on face recognition. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then here you will see a require open eyes button. So if you want to disable require open eyes during Face ID recognition, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable require open eyes during Face ID recognition, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable require open eyes during Face ID recognition in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.